The Embraced Paperclip number 2. We're starting with a crossbody lead, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Now the Embraced Paperclip is also explained in another combination where we go very deep into it, and that of course number 1. This is number 2. The same beginning, we start with after the crossbody lead, we do a single right turn for the lady into what we call a hammerlock, okay? So guys, you bring your right hand down, left hand up. At number 7, I'm crossing my right foot over my left in order to make some space on my right side. And now I'm going to step back, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to turn Vanessa on count number 4. She's keeping her weight on her right foot. She's now going to step forward with her left. I'm going to step back 5 and 6. On 6, guys, I'm pulling her back. And after the 6, I'm letting go. So now I can step in front of her on 7. Okay? So let's do it again from the hammerlock. We are here, we cross the step, and 1, 2, keep turning, 5, pull 6, and 7. Now I'm going to step away from her on 1. I'm going to pass her hand along her right leg on 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that again. So we're going to go 1, 2, folding the hand on her back on 3. Also checking it from this side, take a look. 1, 2, and 3. Now it's very important that you do it in a straight line. 1, 2, instead of trying to go to the outside first and then folding it on her back. Okay? After the 3, after the third count, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to look into that direction, and from the flow of this motion, the lady will now feel that she's going to travel. Why? Because her arm is on her back and there's basically nowhere else to go. If he wants to send you back, which is also possible, he has to do a lot of action for that. But guys, bring your hand down. 5, 6, 7. And she can easily do a traveling reverse crossbody turn to the other side. From here, guys, we're going to turn under the hand. 1, 2, and 3. Moving to my left and giving Vanessa space to travel to the other side. We're now going into a shoulder check. Also, for this one, there is a separate video clip where you can see the entire explanation of the step. And 1 and 2 and double turn, 5 and 6 and 7. From the beginning, slowly. And 1, 2, 3. 5, take 2 hands. Your right hand down and left hand up. 5 and 6 and 7. Guys, keep turning on count number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As you can see, on 6, 7, on 6, I pull. I'm stepping with my right foot in front of Vanessa. Now I step back, and 1. This is the moment where I'm going to fold her hand. 2, 3 on her back. She's now going to do the reverse turn. 5, 6, and 7. Guys, we turn under. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Check. 1, 2, and 5, 6, and 7. One more little detail when we're here for the hammerlock. After the Embraced Paperclip. 1, 2, 3. This is 5. Guys, on 5, be sure that you make a very small step behind 5, and then you go 6, and then 7. If you make a very big step, it's very hard to get all the way here. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, make a small step. 5, 6, 7. Now you open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The guy turns under. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Preparing for a double turn for the ladies. And 1, 2, and 3.